A picnic is more than just an outdoor meal. It's a celebration of simplicity and nature. From ancient times to modern weekends, people have enjoyed sharing food in the open air. Picnic days bring joy, relaxation, and connection. The word picnic comes from the French pique-nique, used in the 17th century to describe casual meals. Over time, it became associated with leisure outings in parks or countryside. The idea spread across Europe and later around the world. Back in the 19th century, picnics actually became super fashionable among the upper classes. It was pretty common to spot these elegant setups in gardens, with servants on hand and actual china laid out. These days, though, picnics are all about that informal and cozy vibe. It's more about kicking back with family and friends, just enjoying some good food and company. Planning a picnic can be as simple or as elaborate as you want. Some folks love those spontaneous outings, while others go all out with themed picnics, adding music, decorations, and even color-coded food to the mix. Either way, it's the shared experience that matters. It encourages physical activity and, really strengthens family bonds. Picnics are also used in education and therapy. Schools organize them to build teamwork and, honestly, help reduce stress. From a health perspective, picnics encourage time outdoors, away from screens. Sunshine boosts vitamin D, while nature reduces anxiety and depression. Environmentally conscious picnics are on the rise. Using reusable containers, cloth napkins, and compostable plates helps reduce waste. One modern trend is the luxury picnic. Styled setups with themed cushions, candles, and gourmet food are popular on social media. So picnic foods are usually chosen for portability and durability. Stuff that's easy to pack and won't spoil quickly. Some classic examples include wraps, veggie sticks, mini quiches, cheeses, and pastries. Games and entertainment really enhance the picnic experience, don't they? Frisbees, cards, kites, and even portable speakers can keep everyone engaged and having fun. It's a chance to bond without the distractions of technology, just spending time together, connecting, and making memories. Alright, so safety should not be overlooked when you're planning a picnic. It's always smart to carry sunscreen, some insect repellent, and a basic first aid kit, just in case. Many countries actually have their own iconic picnic traditions. For example, in Australia, people celebrate with barbecues in parks, while the French, they prefer wine, baguettes, and cheese in those beautiful countryside settings. Picnics can totally promote sustainability when they're done responsibly. Picking up your trash, avoiding plastic, and respecting plant life all help protect those awesome picnic areas for everyone. So, solo picnics are actually growing in popularity these days. People are loving those quiet lunches in nature, just with a book or maybe a journal in hand. The mental health benefits of picnics, they're totally backed by science. Just being outdoors helps reduce cortisol levels, lifts your mood, and even boosts creativity. Seasonal picnics, they honestly offer a whole bunch of different experiences. Spring brings blossoms, summer adds sunshine, autumn gives you that crisp air and golden leaves. And believe it or not, even winter picnics with a thermos of cocoa can feel pretty magical. In the end, picnic days are really about more than just eating outside. They're about slowing down, enjoying the moment, and appreciating life's simple pleasures. Whether you're solo, on a romantic date, or hanging with friends, every picnic, honestly, writes its own story.